Are you struggling to locate hidden chats in your Gmail account on your PC? Don't worry, we've got you covered. Today, we'll guide you through the steps to find those elusive hidden chats, especially with the new update. Let's dive in. First, open your web browser and go to gmail.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials and you'll be welcomed into your inbox. Now that you're in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a list of options and folders. Click on More to expand the menu and display all your email folders. This is where things start to get interesting, as we're about to access all areas of your Gmail. Next, scroll down and select the All Mail folder. This folder is a treasure trove of everything in your account. Every single email you've received or archived is located here. Once you're in the All Mail folder, you can start searching for the email or chat you want to retrieve. The archived emails are often easy to identify. They're the ones without the inbox label. This makes it simple for you to spot and retrieve any hidden chats that you may have overlooked. And there you have it. With just a few steps, you can find those hidden chats in Gmail on your PC. Remember to explore other folders if you're looking for specific conversations. Happy emailing.